Did you know that not all GPS tracking products continuously record GPS location and vital vehicle data when in use? Most GPS tracking products simply collect individual points of data, such as speed and location, at predetermined times. These could be up to 2 kilometres apart, missing the majority of the vehicle's activity. However, Sensium's proprietary Truepath tracking technology continuously monitors and collects vehicle location and telemetry information, plus driver behaviour data. So, as a fleet manager, you don't miss any important information. Locally developed, manufactured and supported, Sensium's TrackBox GPS tracking hardware continuously follows a vehicle's exact path. This gives you the most precise, continuous flow of vehicle tracking data available in the GPS market today, enabling you to accurately assess your fleet efficiency and mitigate risk. Visit sensium.com.au to learn more.